Hello, this is me again, Asad, in the desert of Wadi Rum, south of Jordan, and with the great company of Carlo. Ciao, Carlo.
Hi, how are you?
All is well? You
Very
don't speak
good.
Arabic?
يعني
شو يعني؟
واحد اثنين ثلاثة
Come on,
أربعة
man.
خمسة يا والله.
I've been to Italy for a few times and I speak Italian.
Oh,
You've been in the Arab world. How many
Pizza,
Arab,
mandolino, amore, ti amo.
how many Arab countries you served? You've been serving for
With
seasons.
Turkey, if you want to call Arabic.
No, it's not
but
Arabic
it's not
Turkey, I'm
Arabic,
sorry.
no, it's, on this side of the world, let's say
Yeah.
three.
All right, and you spent at least 2 years in each country? Minimum?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but you have to speak Arabic. Yani. Okay, so you see, this is
This is the most beautiful light.
ever.
I think
exactly.
that there is a magic with Wadi Rum, particularly with the sunset light, the
Yeah.
colors that are just quite unique, and the silence. It is the added value of this
It is,
place.
exactly. And we have just visited the French castle.
That's really nice.
It's nice.
That was the place where they actually had the shoot the movie.
I think
Aladdin?
maybe part of the movie or
Oh,
some of
yeah,
the
few
scenes of
images.
Aladdin.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
Very charming. And actually, in considering where it is, it's still in a good shape.
Yeah.
Very charming. With all the sand, ruin, broken pieces.
Yes.
Great to have a cocktail party there.
Wow. So it's at the end of the day. I came from Amman. You came from Aqaba, from the Red Sea. It's just like 40 minutes drive.
We met halfway.
And you met I met triple the way.
Quarter and a quarter.
Yeah, it took me like 3 hours to get to Wadi Rum, but of course it's worth it. Even if it's 10 hours, it's always worth it to come to this place.
Indeed.
Exactly. Away from the big cities, from those, the traffic, the sound, and this, you come to clear your minds. And, look, you sit with this beautiful scenery. We're going to have our drinks now. Where is it?
The weather in October is particularly good.
Yeah.
All year round you can enjoy it, but the evening at this time of the year, magic.
I agree with you. Completely, yes. Exactly. Yeah. You know what we're going to eat tonight?
Well, what's the name of the
It's called
famous
Zerb.
Zerb,
Exactly.
the cooking technique under the sand.
Under the sand, yes.
Where there will be a natural oven, right?
Yes.
Bar transformed into a fantastic natural
Oven.
right?
Al forno.
Al forno.
Al forno in la tierra.
Piano piano.
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 Okay, so I'll be looking forward to have to enjoy dinner tonight. The last time I ate zerb, it was like a couple of months ago, actually.
Oh
That
yeah,
other part.
you remember well that.